of our boxes and our moving is here. Gosh! I am sweating. It's so hot. I've been trying to clean or organize things. I don't know where I'm going to put 23 boxes. It's okay. It's okay.
So it's here already. We need to start opening these packages. I don't know. We're gonna get crazy. For now, I'm gonna start opening letter A because there's the hand truck, and I know we will need to move many boxes all around. So let's see what we got inside. Oh, this was something that we really need.
What?
Well, there's the vacuum. This is a must open box. Batteries.
That's why it had the letter
Yeah,
A.
that's why it was letter A. So batteries, hand truck, vacuum cleaner, the rechargeable vacuum,
Printer.
many stuff that we really need. Yeah, printer. Oh my god, that's pretty cool. Oh.
It's cool because it's like we can be like,
This.
what's inside of the box?
This right here. Oh my god. Oh, it's broken. We might be able to fix it. If not, you can just turn it this way and you won't notice it. Yeah, but just really wanted this in Puerto Rico. Oh my god.
The robot.
Oh my god. The robot. Oh, super helpful.
I have been cleaning with a
Broom.
and it's like 2 times each day, and it's like,
Yeah.
but with the robot, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be easier.
Well, that robot is almost dying.
You
so
did not protect the
Printer?
printer.
No. I don't know. This was a crazy move. So let's see. Oh my
I
god.
don't know. I'm hungry. I'm gonna cook something. I'm hungry.
Oh my god. Let me get this toy out.
What are you doing? Where are you going?
I'm gonna charge it.
No. Oh my god, please don't take that out. Not yet. I don't know. He was, oh, we have like a full box of toys for the kids. Yeah, right. That box was actually like the 80% of this one, so yeah. I'm trying to fix this or be hit. This other box is done. We have 2 boxes already that are done. Woo! Okay, so I got this shower curtain that says like so many ho ho ho's from Capri stores for only $5. So I'm gonna change the one that my mom put just to make the bathroom a little bit more festive for the holidays. And I'm also going to hang this small towel that also says ho 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 here. I put a basket here. I need to put like some foliage or something like that. But for now, you know, I'm just opening all of the boxes, so I have no idea where like the Christmas foliage exactly is. Yeah, it works. I found another Christmas tree. I don't have any idea where the base is, but it's December already and I want all of my Christmas trees out, so I'm not supposed to be opening this box, but I want it. I want my Christmas tree, so no. It doesn't come up. The vase, it comes with this vase and it's very sturdy, but I really want to use like a basket because we have the vacuum robot, and if I put like a blanket or something like that, it's gonna be a mess at the end. So I put one, can you see it? I put a basket inside and I removed the vase, and it's pretty stable, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And then on this side I bring this stool with me. It came broken from this side. I don't think you can see it in camera, but it's a little bit broken, but I'm gonna put that part like on the back. And yeah, and I'm gonna put like a small tree and this reindeer. I think I'm gonna like this, maybe? No, like this. I need something more here.
Our bed is from IKEA, so even though it has so many small parts, it's not difficult to assemble. It might take some time because of the amount of parts that it has, but it's pretty easy. You don't need instructions or anything. Now it's ready.
Are you okay? What happened?
Huh?
What happened? You have something in your pants?
Let me check that out.
You take your pants off. What do you have?
I don't know.
When you jump, I saw something over here. I don't know if that went out of your pants or no. Look what I found! Ah! Wait.
So now I'm gonna show you our Christmas decor for 2022, and this will be the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on our social media pages, also visit our webpage JAZOMY.com. All the links are gonna be in the description box of this video and every single video. See you in the next one, and thank you so much. Bye.